character, simplicity is excellent. Good morning, one and all present here. I am Anushka Chauhan of 9th standard. Today, I want to share my opinions with you about simple living and high thinking. It is the time we must recognize that we should live for ourselves and not for impressing others. We must understand that happiness can only be found within and not in the outside things. Inner peace and happiness can only be found if we lead a simple life and high thinking, which inspires us to do good for others. Simple living and high thinking only will you have a simplified life and to achieve your goals and aims. You need to focus on it by taking good decisions or in difficult times by taking things so as to make it easy rather than complicated, because each and everything has two phases, positive and negative. It is depending on you which phase you are choosing and making your life easy. With higher thinking, simple life and higher thinking helps us to live a happy and enjoyable life. Simple life helps us to live a simple life. It keeps us away from unnecessary stress and also gives us the sense of satisfaction. It helps us in maintaining a peace of mind. Simple living and higher thinking implies that we must live a simple life, but at the same time our thinking must not be limited. It is to say that we must not restrict our thinking so as to nitty-gritties of everyday's life. Simplicity of living plus higher thinking leads to the happiness of life. The secret of happiness, you see, is not found in seeking more, but in developing the capacity of enjoying less. If you spend your life in chasing for more, you always be chasing for the next thing. But if you shift your focus, whatever you already have, to start to see how little you actually need to have a happy, fulfilling and happy life. You can stop chasing more. You can find contentment and happiness in the little things. People became slaves of their beliefs that we need stuff that we do not actually need. The pressures and demands of modern lifestyles are unnecessary and can be exchanged for considerable benefits. Many pupils are making decisions to simplify their lives in order to live more in tune with nature, natural, social and individual. Living more in tune with nature and natural resource limit is a gift, not a cost. In conclusion, we have voluntary simplicity is the most potent way to reduce both your ecological footprints and to achieve your personal goals. These are my opinions about simple living and high thinking, and I would like to suggest you to adopt a simple living and high thinking. Thank you.